Alam mo ba na you can reserve this property for as low as 5K reservation fee, rent-to-own minimalist house na accessible to Metro Manila. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Ito nga ang ating sample dress-up model unit. Ang floor area natin ay 42 square meters kaya meron pa rin tayong enough space para sa ating living, dining at kitchen area. Basic finish turnover, ang advantage nito ay mako-customize natin ang interior design ng ating property. Minimum lot size na 36 square meters kaya naman may extra space tayo sa front and back na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. Rent-to-own house dahil ang total cash outlay lang natin ay 36,000. Included na po ang reservation so pwede nyo yan i-installment. Estimated monthly amortization is 9,930. Going up, dito sa ating second floor, meron tayong